All right, we are off to a cooking class, and I have no idea how this is gonna go. First, we're gonna go to the market, and we're gonna pick up some stuff. I'll see you when we get there.
Yeah.
Directly from Singapore?
Yes, they came to visit. We stayed a few days with them and then
All right.
came over. Yeah.
That's a short flight from Singapore.
It was awesome. Yeah.
So this market is interesting for this. I'm probably the only one coming to this market. I like to keep it because most of restaurants and hotels come here. So it's nice for you to see where these hotels come to buy their things.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good. Today, once again, welcome aboard the podcast. Just about getting ready to go. Our different flight time today is estimated to be 2 hours. Direction your problem, please.
Something I really want to show you at the corner, and on the way here I can explain more about Cambodia. Cambodia has a lot of green vegetables, morning glory, a lot of leaves like the pandan, the lemongrass, all these things are very green, and that's what we grow the most. Very colorful things like carrots and tomatoes, we don't grow that much, so we need to import them. Let's say like from Thailand, where they have much modern agriculture. But then we have lots of local things. When we don't have them, we import them. Here, the same for some fruits. There are fruits we don't grow at all. For instance, we don't have grapes growing locally in Cambodia. We don't have the apples. We have one here. So this one is probably the Chinese one today, but we might have some from New Zealand, for instance.
We started off by going to the market, and let's just say the market was phenomenal. One of the things I love about the market is that the people there are truly, genuinely kind, authentic, and extremely hardworking. We talk about hard work all the time, but we don't really understand what it means. These people are the definition of hard work.
She won't like that.
I'm just gonna say it. Lily's Secret Garden was simply amazing. Here's our menu for the day, and boy, was it delicious. We started off with prep for the curry, choppity chop, 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 and then we went into the prep for our dessert. Now, the session started around 2 o'clock. Don't quote me on that, but we went until about 7 o'clock p.m. And just before you think, wow, that's a long session, the time truly flies when you are having fun. I do recommend that you take some friends with you, but if you are anything like our amazing new friend, Yella, you can do this on your own. Just simply because our chef and the people in the environment allows you to embrace it regardless of whether you are by yourself or with a group of people.
We pretended that's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard.
Straight in it.
Right. And still. One love. Yeah. Yeah. And kiss me.
Then went on to the mixing up of the curry. Looking good. For the curry, I tried to add as much spice as possible without overheating. I'm definitely a curry spicy type of person. And now we are looking at our mango salad. I added an extra bit of mango just because I'm a mango lover.
What do
So she always cooks.
something dry? And then move to dinner table.
And now it is time to
Eat. It's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel
I ate absolutely everything. I tried both the pumpkin and banana kind of cream coconut pudding, and it was delicious. Right? It's on. Come. Well, hello everyone.
Hello, everyone.
We are at Lily's Secret Garden. Here's our chef. Say hello.
Hello.
New haircut, $1. $1 haircut over here. Thank you. We're just about to leave, but we had an amazing time.
Because it wasn't just a restaurant, it was a cooking class.
Yeah. Let's give it a star rating.
5.
5? Let's give it a 5.5.
Oh, if we're allowed to go higher.
5.5. What did you enjoy the most?
I liked the conversation, actually. I feel like any cooking class would kind of be similar, but what made this one really good was that it was personal, it was a small group, and the conversation was interesting.
For me, I think it was just simply learning how to cook. I feel like I'm a good cook, but I don't really follow recipes at all. So I'm excited. If I come back, I definitely have to come here again.
Yeah, we'll do the advanced course. We are now ready for
advanced. There's an advanced course?
We'll pretend there's one.
All right. Until next time, I want to say see you later.
See you later. Stay in the Romani area.
Oh my gosh. See you guys.